Hey there, Nick Dumas here, coming to you from the Durango Meltdown in Durango, Colorado, and I am holding this incredible Gibson Lloyd Loar F-style F5 mandolin. Really thankful for this opportunity to play. Here playing with Nick Dumas and Branchline, my touring band, and always love getting to play a lot of these old mandolins. Truly is a treat. We'll try one of my original tunes here. This is awesome.
Thank you. Okay, that was badass.